So we're going to solve this system of linear equations. And it's not really obvious if we should use elimination or substitution. We usually use elimination if the coefficients is a clear multiple of each other. So we have -2, but 7 divided by -2 is -3.5, and 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So it's not really easy necessarily to do this by elimination. And substitution could give us a problem. I'm going to take this top equation though, and I'm going to solve this for x. And I'm going to do that by subtracting 5y first. So that would give us -2x equals -35 minus 5y. And we have to be really careful with these because it's super easy to make a mistake. And then I'm going to divide by -2, everything by -2. And that's going to give us x equals 17.5 plus 2.5y. I'm going to take what this x is, which is 17.5 plus 2.5y, and I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it into the other equation down here. So I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to distribute the 7. So 7 times 17.5 is 122.5. And 7 times 2.5y is 17.5y. And I'm going to rewrite the rest. I have a 2y equals 25. Now I need to combine like terms. 2y and 17.5y is 19.5y. Then we get rid of the stuff that's on the same side of the letter but not touching it. So the opposite or inverse of a positive 122.5 is a negative 122.5. So after I subtract 22.5 on both sides, we are left with 19.5y equals negative 97.5. Then, of course, that means multiplication, so the opposite or inverse of multiplication is division. So we divide both sides by 19.5. That's going to give us y equals -5. Then we take y equals -5 and we put it into either one of the original equations to find x. I'm actually going to put it up here because this is just a modified form of the top equation. And that, once we put -5 in for y, we'll have our x. So x will equal 17.5 plus 2.5 times -5. So that's going to give us x is going to equal 17.5 minus 12.5, and x equals 5. Now, if I wasn't lazy and didn't want to take the time, and wasn't restricted by a time limit, I would actually test both of these points into the original equation. So we would put 5 in for the x's and -5 in for the y's, and make sure it's true for both of them. And again, these are really frustrating when you're new because it's very simple, very easy to make a mistake on these. If you have any questions, ask your math teacher.